So adto dita ilahang kuan karon RV. Dadong ko niya sa iyang mekaniko sa iyang motor niya. Adto ta magpa overall maintenance na to kun say gamaan niya tong motor didto. Maintag makalusot ra ko sa checkpoints, okay ra tanan. Actually gada ako na pass dako ang pass. Dapat na ako akong other IDs. Akong sliders kay duha ni kabuk. Nya nakaplano ko nga ibaligya sa iyang usa for the price of fully synthetic nga motol, no. Ganahan jud ko kuan guys kana fully synthetic kay wala lang murag mas labi na karot, labi nag ato ilong ride atong motor ba mas man ginang nindot og condition ang ato ang kuan ito oil like masaligan pirmi nindot og ginana agad. Take a left. Yeah, the usual route katong padung tumagjotihan pa ko sa QQ na adto ko sa seafront. Turn right at dire. Alright. Today guys is August 9. So probably if natanaw to ninyo akong previous vlog, matag natanaw to ninyo, if wala pa, please watch it. So I guess since I can't decide whether I would speak English or Tagalog or Cebuano, I'm just gonna give it a good mix of both, I guess. Checkpoints in Mandaue. Okay. Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Uy. Sa man to siya. Largo man siya kabli. So I'm not sure where I will buy the oil because I think they have lots of shops there anyway, so I'll just get there. It seems the roads are pretty quiet today and hopefully okay ra. I'm just gonna be honest with the checkpoints when I come across one. I'm just gonna tell them that I'm going to Lapu-Lapu. I'll deliver this, you know, because I'm selling it. Kuya is trying to race me, I think. Take a chill pill, Kuya. Ah, the view, man. It's been ages since I saw something like this. Not sure if that's beautiful to you, but it looks this is the world to me, you know, like what we should see when we live normally, and not just the four walls. Some real Komodo shit right there. The traffic lights are not really working. They're not using it. There's no stop and go. Lane. Yeah, we're taking this road right here. Turning left. Where the fuck are you, RV? I'm gonna call him. So we know his location now. We probably won't get lost next time. Sa aga gini na ako, Joing. Sa aga ko. Muna ilisod o maglalamo ba mga inana, no? Friend actually lives here. What the That's funny. Damn. We are now going to his friend's motorcycle shop. Hopefully everything will be good. I don't know the way there, so I'll just follow him. What's wrong with this? Oh my god. Ah, the sick. Oh my god. I don't. The last place that I wanna be is behind that guy. Oh my god. Sometimes I don't see his hand signal, so because I can't follow his lead really. Okay. Okay. Just wanna be as far away as possible from this guy. Ew! Ew! That looks disgusting. And another one. Nah. Nah. Ah, shit, bro. Here? K2A. Ada? Boss.
Si pare, si
Arthur.
Mr. Vlog. Vlog, karon dahil ng vlog.
Tara videohan gud. English ba akong log ron? Joke rabbit. I guess they will be working on that while we wait for it. Oh.
Pila ni sa boss? 690.
Woo! Oh, gear oil oy.
Gear oil pag.
Oh, gear oil pod. Kan sige ko. Gi-trade na ko kung slider nga kumin ni ani boss. Og kuan di siya masugot. Mahal ang slider nga kumin ni.
Atay mo ron ko ni palit brand eh.
Oh, pila ang brand nyo? Oh. Guess I'll update you more later. Naka-open pipe dire. Ha? Sige. Sige.
Palit sa anong plastic na tulong. Tulong ang plastic ba? Wala balik ko. Natulong ay. Sulod na. Ora. Ora mag-Alex Ching. Salamat kayo sing ha.
Salamat kayo. Pwede na kumagi dire. Yeah. Oh, 1 bar. Huh? Should I gas up instead? Alright. Let's go. Oh, that was easy. Damn. That was so fucking easy, huh? How was that? It feels different. Not sure if you can see the difference right there. It did not really cost me so much. It was just very cheap, and you know, I saw him do his job. I forgot his name, but I do remember a little bit of the shop's name. It has more top speed. Yeah. Yep. Ay, sir. Believe. They're unbelievable. Sir. Was this it? I think this was it. Yeah, this was it. Oh, checkpoints really are a little bit, just a little bit lighter, really. Well, anyway, I'm going home, and I guess there's nothing much really that's gonna be on this road. But yeah, that concludes this vlog. I mean, if you think about it, I was able to test it out on the highway. I'm not sure if I reached top speed, but I think the acceleration right there was superb still, despite, you know, having heavier flyball combinations. I expect the top speed to be higher. It's not gonna be 110, probably it's gonna be 120 or something, hopefully. Alright, well, we will be able to test that out when we go out of the city and, you know, ride with the board shorts riders. I want to see the performance. I want to kick some Aerox and some NMAX ass. I'm kidding. I just want to see if it can keep up, you know, with the current setting and the current tune on our bike. So I guess that is it. Thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. Stay safe, take care of yourselves. Peace out.